Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can create classes in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account by entering your login details. Before creating classes, you'll need to make sure the class tracking feature is turned on. To do this, go to the Settings menu, navigate to the Advanced section, and look for the option called Track Classes. Switch it on, and don't forget to save your changes. With class tracking enabled, go back to the Settings menu and select All Lists. From there, click on Classes. This is where you can create and manage all your classes. To add a new class, click the New button. Give your class a descriptive name so it's easy to identify in your reports. Once you've entered the name, click Save. Always make sure you hit Save so your new class is stored properly in QuickBooks. And that's it, you've successfully created a class in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.